Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. A real quick thank you to all the channel members, and a real quick plea if you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon if you like EDC content, and I promise I'll keep trying to bring it out to you on a daily basis. Today's going to be another one of those videos. It's a little bit off the path where we're going to take a look at another one of the rabbit holes that I kind of delve in, and that is, of course, our EDC torches or our flashlights. Got a lot of different form factors I've been bringing you guys lately, from the Rovivons to my daily driver, which is the Rovivon S3 tie, great light. Some really cool lights from CountyCom, or good old faithful like our Olight i3 or our UV. And then you've got your archers, your old faithfuls like your warrior, a lot of different lamps, right? So what I need, like another knife, is another lamp. And what I did was happen to be watching Everyday Minimalist, I think, one of his live streams, and he was trying to figure out how to work this little lamp, and it drew my attention to it because of its form factor. It's a little chunky light. I kind of look at it like my daily driver, which is currently my ES3. The form factor similar, even though the Olight Seeker 4 is a little bit larger, has a little bit larger circumference. Few other features that are different, but it was interesting enough to make me think that I needed to bring it in and check it out. It also came with one of these things that I don't use very much, these little wrist straps. However, on this particular light, because of the thickness, I think the wrist strap kind of is a good thing. The way that I carry this lamp, which is in a bug out bag, or when I go outside to kind of just do stuff around the house, this little removable ring, which is of course adjustable here, allows you to kind of lanyard it around your wrist so you're not going to drop it on the street if you're out skateboarding or doing some of that stuff that I do that's a little bit more whack. But like normal Olight, you click it once and it comes on low. And the thing that really got me interested in it, and I'll show you here in a second, you've got this one light that doesn't light up, this one bulb. And that's what Everyday Minimalist was looking at. So I hit it twice, turns off. Hit it once. Then if I hold it down, it goes to medium, moonlight, medium, high. Moonlight, off. So if I click it 3 times, I get the strobe feature. Then I can go back to moonlight, off, push it, turn it on to moonlight, then hold it, medium, high. So if I keep it on high for several minutes, use it there on high, I think that's right around 1800 lumens. It'll be in, I'll copy it and put it in there. I'm not exactly sure what the Seeker 4 Mini is rated in lumens, but it's very, very bright. If I shot it at the wall over there, it's more of a flood pattern than it is a strobe pattern. But the moonlight mode is very nice. I mean, it's light. It would be great for reading in a hammock, or just looking if you're doing some light work, you know, and night in your bedroom and you don't want to wake up your significant other. But what was cool about this light is on all the different brightnesses, whether it's our moonlight, you only have these 2 lights. And what does this light do? Well, I started reading about the light, and if you push it twice, our UV light is back, guys. This is a UV light that's great for looking at, I don't have a big bill in my pocket, checking for counterfeit money, or looking for smuts, blood. You know how UV lights are good for identifying scorpions that become luminescent. It's kind of like a mini black light, right? So it does light up things that can be helpful in a survival situation. So if you're out in the desert and you're looking for scorpions, that's a great way to find them. If you're going into a hotel room and you don't want to put your head on a smutsy pillow and you want to turn the pillowcase inside out, that might be a good way. Or if you're in the casino and somebody hands you a $100 bill, You can flash that back where the little stripe is, the metallic stripe, to make sure it's legit, right? So the Olight Seeker 4 is a really cool form factor as far as I'm concerned. I like the form factor. I like the fact that it is short, that it's stocky, that it's simple, i.e. I turn it on and then I can hold it down for my different brightnesses. And then I've got two secondary functions. 2 clicks gives me my UV light, strobe warning, any of you who might be susceptible to that. 3 clicks gives me my strobe feature. So that, guys, is the Olight Seeker 4. And it is a unique little lamp. I just wanted to bring it and share it with you guys. Again, I know we're not here to look at flashlights, but they take up some of my EDC. And if I bring them in and, I kind of want to share them with you guys, let you know what I think about it and how I think they rate out. And I like Olights. They're not my favorite lights. They're not my least favorites. This one seems very hardy. I like the bezel. I like the function. I like the weight of it. I think the Seeker 4 is a good light. I think they get better with every light they come out with. But guys, thank you for stopping by and watching the video. All I'd like to ask is that you please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.